Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a clever monkey near a river. The monkey loved delicious fruits and spent his days happily on his tree. One day, a crocodile swimming in the river noticed the monkey.
Hello there, little monkey.
Hello, crocodile friend.
The kind monkey shared his tasty fruits, and soon the monkey and crocodile became good friends. The crocodile even took fruits home for his wife.
I don't want fruits. I want to eat the monkey's heart. I became greedy and asked for the monkey's heart. Dear friend, come to my home for a feast.
Trusting his friend, the monkey climbed onto the crocodile's back.
My wife wants to eat your heart.
What?
My heart? But it's not even with me. It's on that tree over there.
Oh, is it? Well, can we get it? I have an idea.
As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey jumped to safety.
Foolish friend who keeps their heart on a tree.
You got me.